Hey guys, I'm Tech from Tech Driven, and today we're going to talk about Galaxy Note 10 Plus and what you need to know about it. So far I had this phone for around a week, and my conclusion is there's few things you definitely need to know about it before you purchase it. So is this the phone of 2019? Absolutely. This phone is fantastic when it comes to matter. I really don't think Apple iPhone 11 is gonna beat it. However, it will probably come close, and that's simply because Apple decided to go with a lightning cable, so that means they cannot offer fast charging like Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So when it came to charging, I tried a bunch of chargers and I still found like the original charger brick that comes with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is still the fastest out of all the other ones I tried from Apple, IBM, Anker. Their technology with PPS simply provides the fastest charging capability. So if you're looking for 45-watt charging, unfortunately Samsung is the only place you will get it at the moment because they use PPS technology, which is programmable power supply. Nobody else has it, and that's why you can't use any other charger to actually fast charge your phone. One thing that is disappointed that comes in the box is this short cable. This is around 4 feet of USB-C cable, which is definitely too short, and I wish that Samsung included a longer cable. And hopefully they will include a longer one with a 45-watt brick. If not, that will be a disappointment and you will have to go out and get a longer cable. So when it comes to the S Pen, I don't use it occasionally, but however it does come handy when I use Adobe Rush to actually scrub video and editing, because my big fingers simply get in the way and I have to zoom in and then edit and then zoom out, versus I can use my S Pen to actually click on a specific clip directly even if it's small. Additional, what I like about the S Pen is the button to turn on and off camera. I think that's very useful. I really haven't used it once for taking notes. That some people may use that, but I definitely did not. Another nice feature with this S Pen is that if you leave your S Pen behind and you take your phone away within about 25 feet distance, your phone will get a notification saying you left your S Pen behind, make sure you put it back. Definitely prevents it from losing it. The fingerprint unlocking is just as bad as it was on the Galaxy S10, hasn't improved at all, at least in my opinion. It's definitely better than the previous versions of Galaxy S's and Notes. However, it's okay. It's not greatest, but it will do. One feature that I really like is the reversible charging power share. I actually end up using it more than I thought I would be to charge my Galaxy Buds. It actually makes it really convenient. Since I take a lot of photos and videos with this phone, I really like the camera system. I really like the wide angle and the zoom. And of course, not to mention that the stability control, the live focus, and blur for the bokeh effect. But the biggest thing I'm happy about is that Samsung has removed the 5-minute 4K video recording cap that it had. Now you can actually record for a lot longer times, even 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. However, I did notice that if you do record in 4K or use any of the features for longer than 5 minutes, your phone does get hot. So when it comes to my verdict, I think the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is the phone of 2019, and I really don't think iPhone 11 will even compete with it. They may come close, but they're missing one big factor that everybody loves, and I love it, and I'm sure you will love it, is the fast charging capability and long-lasting battery. Because iPhone 11 will continue to use the lightning cable, there's simply no option to do faster charging than Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Not even without 45-watt charging. So I hope this video was at least a little bit helpful. Make sure you click like, dislike if you disliked it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you later.